Drop it.
Hello, hello.
What's going on, team?
Not much. Hopefully Streamlabs doesn't decide to kick me the fuck out today.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. All right,
Dude,
guys. So today is the last day for 1348 Lifetime. After that, you will require a promo code. All right, and that will be 2700, and that will also be at our discretion. Usually I'm a nice guy, but sometimes it's like, hey, bro, we gave you a chance. So anyways, make sure you check out the link down below, trade1348.com. And also, if you need proof of concept about what we do, I also linked the video to the stream earlier today, right? And that was talking all about the 200 EMA and showing you proof of concept and the power of the Trade 1348 system. You can't go wrong. Myself and SGB, we lay it out there each and every day so you guys can print each and every day. All right, so let's rock and roll. SGB, get us up to speed.
Dude, you guys surprise me every single week coming in. Like every single week I look at the games channel and I'm like, oh, that's like crazy. Like there's no way that they can do that again. And then you guys fucking up it again. And I'm like, what do you get? Like Holden over there again. I mean, this is not like it's something that's gonna happen all the time, but Holden was up like in 2 weeks, like 574%. Tabasco Dave killing it. I know Stockbanger's been doing great. You guys have been absolutely just killer. But with what's going on in the market right now, here is what I would like you guys to understand. You have to listen to what the Fed is saying. And you have to really, really be able to read into exactly the things that they've said. Was anything about what the Fed said in the meeting on Wednesday or the previous meeting or any comments from the Fed speakers over the last, basically, how in between the last two meetings, was anything dovish? Not really. Everything was just screaming uncertainty. And when Powell comes out and reiterates that he doesn't know how high rates are going to go or how long we're going to be there for, the market's most likely going to come down. We'd had a nasty rally up into the 400 range, and it doesn't make sense for it to continue. It just doesn't. If anybody out there is telling you that it does, I would say that they do not know how to read macroeconomic conditions. They don't know what they're doing. So looking at what's been happening with the charts today, I mean, you guys saw the Tesla trade that I had, the little fun one. I ended up getting stopped out at 150% on that one. But again, Invictus has been firing off today. What's it at right now? 80% on the day, dude. Like the tools that we have here, they're just unmatched. Like this is just killer stuff right here. Invictus killing it today. It's got a couple of active plays over here. Nice. I mean, at the end of the day, it's just this is what our market is going to be. I think Powell was a naughty boy this year, and he's getting us all coal for Christmas. No Santa rally.
Now, let's go ahead and take a look at Meta. That is the last alert at 1232, priced at 120. And let's see what we're doing here. All right, so 1232 puts us on this candle here, priced at 120. This candle right there. And so we go back to the alert. It's active. Meta cross down. This is interesting. Mm-hmm. So what are we looking for on this cross down? Well, again, if you guys watched the stream earlier today, anybody who wants to go ahead and just really get just a basic understanding of how we do this, right? In particular, the strength of the 200 EMA, because this is, oh my God, this happened again. STV, really? Jeez Louise. This really, really, really sucks. They got you again. Guys, holy fuck. All right. Just so we can confirm this is not me, I'm going to have to go ahead and do a speed test. This is wild. All right, so let's go ahead and do a speed test here. And you guys can see I'm doing it right now. Let's do it. We're connecting. Gotta see what's going on here. This is wild. Finding optimal server. Come on, AT&T. They shorted VIX. Yes, they sure did. So taking an awful long time to connect via speed test. And I think that's simply because of me streaming right now. Is attempting to connect. AT&T is trash. Go to Spectrum. I think that's what I'm probably going to have to do. But we're not connecting to anything here. Let's go ahead and refresh and just see if we can find something. All right. Daytona Beach, we're connected. Let's go ahead and get all right, nearly a gig. Huh. That really sucks. All right. They got him on a public stream. Damn. All right. We're good here as far as speed is concerned. Let's see. STV, could you come back into the link? Have you tried that to see if we can get you back in? Jeez Louise. I just really hate being at the mercy of. Let me see. Let me try never left, but I'll even come back. Please do. Please do. Yeah. And all I need is upstream. That's really all I need, right? Because we're sending data up. So, it's more upstream. Okay, you're back. And let's see. Fuck. Yeah. That's not going to work. Oh, Lord. All right, guys, listen. We're going to end this stream. We're going to get STB back in here, and then we'll send you out another link. I really want to do this show with him. So let's see. Notifications. I don't have any logs here of him being in. All right. You just got here. Guys, we're going to kill this stream here, and we're going to get STV back in. This really sucks. We'll be right back. You'll get another live notification. Hot Potato wouldn't have these issues. All right, guys. We'll just go live. Let's see if we reconnect to them.
We won't. Oh, we might. I don't know.
We might.
Let me see.
Let's see what's happening here. We're here.
Let's see.
You see the chat here? We're back.
I gotta go back and click on it. Let me look. Did we come back? Back and click on it.
Yeah, we did.
Oh shit, we're back.
We're back. Yes. Right.
I'm back. All right, team, we're good. Everybody, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. YouTube's gonna fuck with us for that one, but I mean, this morning was just a really, really good example of just how powerful our system is. You guys all have access to that 3-week free trial. I think you're doing yourself a wild disservice if you don't even come in and test out the 3 weeks for free. It's 21 days to come in and learn the strategy, get access to all the videos, live streams, everything. You guys see the results of our community, man. I mean, it speaks for themselves. Everybody's really, really focused on having those really, really solid base hit days. I've seen a lot of crazy gains recently. Again, guys, make sure you're not giving it back, but make sure you guys are checking that out. The new platform is sexy.
Definitely sexy. All right. Okay, so we are going to get the lines open. I see someone's already trying to call, but no, we're not letting you in. Until we give you the number, you can't get in. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's unmute the lines here, and let's get these numbers. Let's get the number up. Let's do it.
Live call-ins. Where do we enter for the car giveaway? If you read the fine print on the platform, you would know that it says in the fine print that I will never be doing a car giveaway. So
yes.
All right, guys, who's ready to call in? Let's have some fun. Ooh, What we got here?
Go-kart? Maybe a go-kart.
Like a toy car. They all want me to give away the Aston Martin that I want to get next year. No, I'm not giving you guys an Aston Martin. Sorry. It's not happening. Do you guys see Invictus is 80% on the day? Yup. Let's see here. Well, it's good to be back. YouTube's not trying to screw with or Streamlabs or whatever it is. They're like, no, we can't have this kid out here. The V12 is sexy. Yeah, I wouldn't get the V12 just because it's gonna be a lot more expensive. I'm not cool enough for that.
Hilarious. Let's see. The V12 Vantage is sexy, but holy hell. I mean, the performance gains are marginal, so you're just literally paying for exclusivity with that vehicle. It's I think 300 were made, but I was looking around the MSRP. Well, they're selling like 100,000 over sticker right now, so
That they are.
yeah, you're looking at like 350. All right, that's pretty wild.
See, that's the thing. If I'm ever gonna be in the position where I'm spending 350 on a car, I'm coughing up the extra 150 for the Pista. It's like at that point, like, what do we do it?
Yeah. No, it is a heavy car though. I mean, I have the V8 version of it, and a great performer. You know, basically, I'll never get rid of her. Well, unless a cow says differently. So, guys, we got the number up there, 978-545-1348. You guys want to give us a call? Tell us why you're mad, or tell us a play that you absolutely slaughtered, or if you got a question, we're here to answer. Let's rock and roll.
The Tesla fun trade that I had today was probably the trade of the month so far. Those were just so gnarly.
Yeah.
It just kept going. I literally, guys, make sure that you understand the stop loss strategy too, because that's what I used on this. I got it up to a point where my stop loss was 150% in profit. I literally had a stop. The contracts were up over like 200%, but I was like, I'm putting a stop at 150% in profit. I'm fine with that. Let the trade go. If Tessie wants to break 150, go for it. If not, stop me out at 150%. I'm done.
Okay, so let's look at this. I want to show you guys something here. We have Meta. Look at this baby here. You were marked on this candle here. You were alerted. This candle. You're now in this put. Now, how low will it go? All right, guys. This is where you fall back on 1348 strategy, right? It broke beneath, right? It just so happened to happen leaving this 5-minute marker here, right? So here at 1240, the RSI breaks below its moving average, and now it's trending down with MACD signal line also trending down and building really, really solid reds here on the histogram. So as it looks here, 119.73
or 119.20 or the 200 is where I would look at that.
119 is a level that I would play this to.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So you did have tight thigh gap on it. Absolutely. So in that situation, you will wait for the play to develop. And obviously, you got some thigh gap here on the RSI with everything trending in your favor, right? So you guys can play it all the way down to this level at 119. I would expect the bounce there, but I would also want to zoom out and see if there's an intermediate level. We have a level here, level at 119.33. I would have to mark that level, right? More conservatively, right? So
Yep.
You got a 119.48 and a 119.33. I'm going to go ahead and play the 33 right there. So let's give it the blue pill line treatment. And that's basically our target.
If you're up 5-10% on that thing, you guys all know the stop loss strategy. And I mean, this one follows perfectly along with the video yesterday with risk management. All good to go. Dude, I'm telling you, if you guys combine the stop loss strategy, the reversal strategy, the risk management framework, combined with the core concepts of 1348, oh boy, I can see how all of your accounts are starting to look in the gains channel over there.
Gains channel, filthy. Now let's go ahead and look at. We have AA active to the downside, right? So let's bring up Alcoa. And you have a put. This looks very, very similar, right? You were alerted. Let's see. Where were you alerted? 1248. So you were alerted on this candle. The thing is, this alert here with Invictus was actually late. The AA alert. All right.
Yep.
I probably wouldn't play it simply because the level is right there. If I am going to play it, I'm going to play it after a candle close below the level, right? But as it stands right now, just considering the price action throughout the day, it's probably just a non-factor, not something I would play.
Yeah, I mean, again, guys, you had, I know a lot of you guys sitting in here right now killed CPI, killed FOMC, killed it yesterday. If you're coming into today and you're still looking for things, relax a little bit. Like you had a great week. You don't need to do anything else. You're not going to get rich in a day.
Yes. You're not going to get rich in a day. Let's see. Let's find out what else we have in play. So currently Invictus 5 for 6 at 83%. Hey, look at he trades better than everybody else in this group, including myself, probably. Now let's go ahead and look at the 3-minute. We have a ZM cross up at 1240, and that was alerted on the 3-minute. So we are prepared for the 5-minute. So let's go ahead and what's the ticker ZM? Let's catch up with this here. Zoomatica, Zoom, not Zoomatica. You got the cross up on the 3-minute. I'm not liking this, guys, so you could just totally dismiss this. Like where you got the call on the 3-minute, came right back down. Here you're on the 5-minute. Just totally do not acknowledge this. You're getting a lot of wonkiness here, right? Put, call, put. It's just literally EMA sandwiched here. So you could you ignore it. Yes, absolutely. Looks ugly right away. QQQ. Did you play the Qs today or no?
I did not play the Qs today. I played, I literally just played, I played the Tessie. I was screwing around with NVIDIA and Tesla, and that was really it.
Okay. So we're looking for a level within 7 trading days of the Qs, and we don't find a level, but we have an obvious level we can draw, and that's literally right here. You see where all these candles were just hanging out here? Let's see if we find it on the 4-hour. And I mean, not really. So guys, the way you want to play this here on the 5-minute with the Qs, right, is if you're in this put, you should have been out already. So the AR guy, I hope he got out a long time ago. All this is here is just noise. Right, just noise. Do I expect it to come all the way down to the blue pill line at 270, 212? No, I don't. All right. Let's see. TQQQ for me. Oh.
Let's see.
A little more of the same here. Let's go ahead and look for something.
SPY just hit a new low. Everything's just slowly slipping down. NVIDIA's coming back to its level. Apple slipping new lows here.
All right. So as it stands right now, TQQQ is at a level on the 4-hour. All right. So let's go ahead and just draw that so we have a visual representation of risk reward here. Okay. So here we go. We're on the 5-minute with the TQQs, and it's coming on down. You got what, 1871? Currently trading at 1879. Guys, not a perfect science. It already gave you a little more than you deserve as it broke this level, right? So as it stands right now, just considering where this blue pill line is relative to other levels that printed on the Qs, I probably wouldn't stay in this play either. I mean, the put paid, you're all set.
Exactly.
Yeah. Let's see. Tesla play this morning was dirty. It sure was.
Oh, yeah. That Tesla was fun.
All right, guys. Listen, Linda. We are $1.13 for me having a perfect narrative on the SPY. A
You want
dollar
that
13
380?
away from the perfect narrative. So on the stream, STB, I was trolling your stream, obviously, right?
Yeah.
And I debunked the idea that I was going to run up to the 200. Never
Yeah.
made it, right? And then we had a level at 382.50 and 382.50, and I said that if it broke this level, that we can look at. We're certainly looking at 380, and then from there, 378.
Mm-hmm.
So
Let's see.
this is definitely interesting.
It might do it. I mean, if you're kind of watching, I think Tesla is going to be the one. If Tesla starts to slip below 150, that's where you start to get real worried about the market here. Because I don't think Tesla's been this low since when? The last time Tesla was at these levels was the end of 2020,
Oh,
November 2020. That's insane.
let me just delete this craziness here. All right, so let's go to we're here November of 2020.
Yeah. If you throw it on the weekly, it's easier to see.
Oh, but we're going way back in time.
Yeah. It's easier to see if you put it on the weekly.
Okay. But still, you can see it here as well. Oh boy. That's filthy. Okay. Definitely right there trading at 150. That's mean. Let's look at it in a 5-minute, guys.
It's not looking good.
No, it's not.
It tried to rally back up for a bit with the SPY and then just got knocked right back down. It's fine. I'll take my 150%. I'll take that all day long.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Do we still have to use TradingView? Absolutely. If you're not using TradingView, you're doing yourself a major disservice.
Mm-hmm.
Major disservice. Microsoft. Let's go ahead and see what we're dealing with Microsoft. Well, the put paid.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, and Optimus Felix, we're not going to be talking about your penny pump. So, nope. Anytime. Yeah, exactly. Anytime, guys, there's a rule in my live stream now, and I think it's going to be a good rule for Gabe's live stream. Any penny stock mentions, that's auto timeout.
Whoa. I like that.
Automatic timeout. We finalized that rule yesterday. I'm tired of people bringing up these fucking garbage stocks that people are trying to pump. Like, get out of here. Seriously, stop. Just literally find a system, trade a strategy, and implement it. Stop with this bullshit of I'm trying to hit a moon ticket right away and trying to get other people. It's gonna end in tears. It happens every time.
It happens every time. You know what? Actually, I'll go ahead and say this, right? So with Zach Morris and Co., where they were doing the pumps, right?
Mm-hmm.
You would have to imagine that people were aware of exactly what they were doing.
We said it.
Those people should be charged along with him. Like everybody that was investing and dumping money into those penny stocks should be charged with him. Sorry, I said it. Just all right. Start rant, STB. Go ahead. Go for it. Here, it's all yours.
It's just bullshit, dude. Like I don't understand I do get it. It's the emotional bullshit, but of people trying to just hit a big play and be good to go. But you're gonna feel a lot better about yourself over the long term by slowly compounding these gains and putting the power of compounding on your side versus just bullshit. Stop. It's mind-boggling to me.
Yes. Definitely mind-boggling. All right, let's see. Meta bounced. Let's go ahead and check that out. Let's get you on over to the charts here. Meta bounce.
Right off the level. It's close.
No, I'm calling that a soft landing.
It's getting there.
So far. Yes, I'm calling that a soft landing here. You do have the put. You do have that level there. I mean, obviously, you were playing to that level. Just a really, really quick scalp. Do you have more potential downside? Well, it all depends on the RSI here. Me, I'm probably not going to take that risk, especially considering that after the run, the dump, all you're really seeing is a bunch of consolidation. So the risk reward is just really not there unless you're really in it to just really be super quick with it. In, out, take it 5%, maybe 3%, and get out. Just be done with it. Really that simple.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Let's see. So is one of these streams what you people always you people? What?
Where did this come from?
Portfolio up 20%. Stick to the rules, y'all.
There you go.
Really, really
How
good.
would be a way to inform you about any stocks you can check outside of the stream and can study before you guys talk about it? Why would we do that? It's not, guys, we're not calling stocks here. That's not what this is. It's a strategy that you can implement across the board about reading charts and trading as a whole. It isn't about one particular stock. It's about a system in understanding how stocks move and why they do and where they could potentially go off of what we're seeing on the charts. The picking stocks is a completely different game that we're not, that's just not what we do. We teach you guys the system and we give you guys the tools in order to implement it. It's not about an individual stock at all. It never is. It really doesn't matter what stock it is. As long as it's like a decent stock and not some piece of shit, I read the chart the exact same way. Where does everything tell me that the stock is most likely going to go? When you have an edge in the market, which is what your system is supposed to do for you, all it is giving you, it's essentially setting you up in a position where there's a higher probability of one thing happening over another. That's it. That's all it is. Keep it simple.
Astral actually makes a good point. By virtue of you adopting this system, you make more money calling your own plays versus someone else telling you better entries equals more profit. Now, I know he's talking about the pump and dumpers, but also when you guys are able to read the charts, you guys got to understand there's some latency here, maybe 5 to 10 seconds, right? So you will not be getting maximum entries or maximum exits by follow trading with us, right? But by virtue of you seeing how we play and what we do and where we put our levels and how we respect our levels, you are able to trade independently with our alerts and say, yeah, this is where I'm making money. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So good stuff there. Good stuff. All right, let's moving along. Let's see. Knowing to recharge gives you superpowers. Absolutely, Luke.
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely.
There's that level that Facebook's bouncing off of. Ooh.
Yeah.
That's why we use the stop loss strategy, team.
There you go. There you go. STB for the win, y'all.
It's so simple. It's so simple. Guys, if you haven't seen those videos yet, they're hidden gems. They're hidden gems.
So let's see. We got snow on the way down. That is our next alert. Let's see what Invictus is giving us. No, Invictus is giving us
cross out.
Not much. So let's check out snow. Alerted at 104. So guys, when we get the alerts and they're alerted at a specific time, it's alerting on the 3 so you can prepare for the 5. And the reason why we do that is so you could go ahead and mark your levels and make your reads, right? Make your progression. So you already have levels. You understand here on the 3-minute. Let's see what it's doing on the 5. What levels do we have on a 5? Well, we have 142.35. We have a potential cross. We have RSI above 50. We have a moving average moving up above 50. We have MACD cross and showing some greens on the histogram. And I mean, the ADX is relatively weak because, well, you do have a lot of sideways action. But should this cross, you do have a little bit of wiggle room. But this is snow. What are the spreads on snow, STV? I'm thinking like
they're shitty.
Yeah, they're shitty. Okay, yeah, I would assume so. So probably snow is not a play you want to do and just ignore it. But you can still follow along with the play, guys. Just because you're not taking a trade, or maybe let's say you finished for the day and you finished this morning, you can still go ahead and just follow along with the alerts and just really see the behaviors, price action relative to the 13 EMA, how it, bounces off, as you could see here, is bouncing off. It, breaks through the EMA when you see RSI break up above his moving average. Gets rejected here at the 48, and you could see how RSI just gets flat here, right? I mean, these are all things that with repetition, you're able to identify on a consistent basis. And then when you go ahead and you manage your risk, as what STV has done incredible videos on risk management. STV, did you put that link in the Discord? Why don't you just spam the Discord with those videos, dude?
I will. I'll grab them right now and I'll throw them in there for you guys, because those are guys. The things that we're saying are for a reason. The one yesterday is going to help you guys out a shitload.
Yes.
So that one. Let me see here. The stop loss strategy one. I mean, guys, if you combine all of the things that we're teaching in terms of just overall strategy, it's a game changer.
Absolutely. All right. Let's see what the SPY is doing. The SPY is just simply consolidating at this point. I mean, it's showing a lot of strength in this area. I would love to see it hit 380, but it really doesn't matter to me because there was so much money being made, getting rejected off of the 386.58. Now, let's look at the anatomy of this trade, guys. I mean, again, we talk about being able to visualize the trade. As you saw this call and everyone got their panties in a bunch, like, oh, the market's going to run. You saw where RSI just got so hot by this candle. The next candle gave you a red candle. Next candle, another red. And then you just saw RSI just crash. By the time you were led into a put signal, MACD was already light green, but RSI was already below 50. Are you guys making sense of this? Can you visualize this? Because, I mean, you do this day in and day out, and it's now you're working off instinct, right? Because you're just playing the system, all right? So that's all I got for you.
Vincent's asking a good question about Moderna here, though. Vincent, if you've watched the reversal video, which also I think came out this week as well, we talked about that Moderna reversal off that move. When were we looking at Moderna? There was that reversal play at the end of the day. Yeah, so on the 13th was when we were looking at the Moderna reversal. It ended up running higher to 217. So I was just, I don't think I took that one. The Moderna reversal did end up playing out on the 13th. That was one that I didn't take, but it was like a nice little educational trade there. But again, I mean, when those stocks are moving like this, you can easily see how they're going to move. So that reversal strategy is out there as well. Everything that you guys need is all out there.
Yeah. It's all there.
I threw the risk management video in the announcement section for you guys. So if you guys want to go check that out later.
There you go. And for those who are watching public stream, check out the link down in the description. Trade1348.com. Secure the bag at $49. You get 21 days free. 21 days free. Right? We assume all the risk. We guide you to victory. We teach you the system. And we say the same thing over and over and over again like a tired, broken record until you guys just absolutely start killing it. Right? So let's see. Nick says, just want to say, if it has not been said that the move on a QQQ on Invictus was nasty.
Nice.
It sure was. All right.
I think that was the first alert from today too, wasn't it? First or second one with Invictus?
Yeah.
Yeah, second one. So that was alerted at 10:16. You want to pull that one up? I don't think we've looked at that yet today. So that was alerted at 10:16. So that was alerted at around 275. What was the price? 274.88. It's currently trading at 272.95. Nice, Invictus. Good
Someone
job.
got paid.
Oh, yeah.
Someone got paid. And that's all we could want for you guys. All right. So, guys, check this out. Link down in the description. We gave you a chance to call in. Not many people actually called in, or maybe one did seem like a spam call. With that being said, STV's got to go ahead and prepare for his live stream. Wait, are you going live at 1:30?
Yeah, at 1:30.
All right. STV, make sure you include the links to those videos in the description on your live stream over there. I really feel like it's definitely just an amazing strategy to complement what we're doing here. All right, guys. So we're signing out.
Peace.